Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to open a Lloyds Bank account. The first thing I want you to do is either go to the website or launch up their app. And if you've launched up the app, you can click here on open a bank account with us. And then on this page, you can apply for either a current account or you can use their other products and services. We'll click on this one right here, agree to the data consent, and then it'll ask you some questions if you already have an account or not. So if you don't have one, say no, you're a new customer, then click on next. I'll ask you which of these best describe how you use this account. So choose the applicable one, click on next, how you'll add, or if you will add money to this account regularly. So if you will, say yes. If not, say no, then hit next. And then you need to verify your identity. So you'll need to provide identification document, maybe a national ID, passport, driving license, things like that. After that, you'll give your details, your finances, and then go ahead and set up your account. So go ahead and give your photo ID, any of these, and then move on to it. Of course, you'll need to take a photo. Once you're done with that, you provide your details as per your photo and passport ID and your passport and your national ID as well. So you answer these questions and then give your phone number and you can proceed further as well with the on-screen instructions. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.